Go.
Hey Jordan, this is phase two, the challenge, okay? You thought the first one was a challenge, this one is too. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is put my sleeping pad, and I have a travel pillow in there, into the bottom. I put my first aid kit in the bottom so I can have easy access to it. And I put my rain pants also around my sleeping pad. And zip that up. Next thing I do is I'm going to put my, I have my bladder in here already. Just keep in mind your water is going to be about 2 pounds per liter. You're going to have at least 3 liters. And then probably a side pocket, like I have a little platypus right here as well. Yours is going to weigh almost 3 pounds. So you have to keep that in mind when you're packing, that you're going to have an additional weight. Sometimes these things are, okay, I have about 2 pounds of tent. You're going to also have to figure that into your pack. The way normally to pack things is to have everything that's the heaviest, closest to your back. With the canister, the whole thing is heavy. And you really, you don't have much of a choice. What I have here in this thing, which weighs less than my clothes, just real quick. I have my coffee pot. I have my headlamp with extra batteries. Brush. My toiletries are already in the air canister. My cooking item. My comfort item, which is my flying deal. My stove and mess kit. And I just put it in a really lightweight item like that. My clothes in here. Show real quick. I do have my clothes for the trail, so that's like 2 pounds. What you're going to have to include is almost 3 pounds for a canister. Tent split between 2 people is going to be about 2 pounds. Your clothing, which I have in here, is about, I have 2 extra pounds of clothing probably because I'm packing for the airplane. And then I also have my Sunday day hike trail mix. Poles weigh about 1.25 pounds. That's 9 pounds. So right now I'm at 34 pounds with everything attached, including my poles, everything, like 34 pounds. So you're going to want to minus 9 pounds for all those items you're going to have to continue to add. So if you can keep it around 25 pounds, no more than 25 pounds is what you want to do. So these are hiking pants that I'm actually going to be wearing on the trail, so that will be part of my pack. I have 2 shirts, short sleeve, and a halter. In case one gets real sweaty, I have the other one on the trail. I can wash it. I also have 3 pairs of, I'm going to be wearing 1 pair of socks. I'm going to have 1 extra pair of socks, and then I have my Sunday, Yosemite hiking, day hike stuff. Small washcloth. I have my boy shorts with my bathing suit in case I get to take a dip in Merced Lake. I have my long sleeve lightweight. I have 1 pair of panties for hiking and 1 pair for the trail in case I need it. And I have a lightweight fleece. And again, my handkerchief that I'll use for my nose or whatever I need to use it for, maybe wet it for the back. My neck, if it gets hot, that will be on the outside of my pack as well. Backpacks do not like air, so the way you do these things, you get all the air out. And it's almost like a shrink wrap. Okay, so this is heavier than this, so this will go on the outside, or inside, because it's heavier. Closest to my shoulders. This will go on the outside. In the lid, which I'll also use as a fanny pack for the day hikes, I have my trowel and all of my toiletry items for easy access on the trail. That's on the inside. You can put it anywhere you want. And on the outside for quick access, I have my mosquito net, sunglasses, and I have my gloves for Half Dome. I also will be hooking up a whistle, which is part of my 10 essentials to go on the outside of my pack, as well as my camera. To the front, the little flap right here actually. I have Crocs, they're really lightweight, or you put your sandals or flip-flops. Flip-flops, lighter the better. In here, again, this is all for traveling purposes as well. I'll have this trail mix attached to the side of my belt, but for now I'm going to pack it in here for traveling. And I have my visor, again, packed for traveling. My poles for traveling will be on the side pocket. Strapped in. This will be strapped in. I don't have room for my sleeping bag, so I'll bring a dry bag as a backup in case I need it. But I'll show you real quickly how to hook that to the underneath so it doesn't fall off. I use the straps here, and I hook my sleeping bag straps into the straps here so it stays in place, it doesn't fall out. The items I carry on each side pocket, I have like food and shoes, hot shot blocks, and I do put those on one side of my pack. On the other side of my pack, I have a little sunscreen, my lip balm, basically first aid items, and Kleenex. Now the one thing that you're going to want to do, like I did probably, unless you want the front straps to hang to your knees, go ahead and put your pack on, leave about maybe 6-8 inches. Otherwise it's going to come down to here. I went ahead and cut mine with scissors and then lightly use a lighter and seal it. So I think that's it. Try to keep it 25 pounds because you're going to be your food and water is going to be the most. And you've got all these other items that I have in here right here at 34 pounds. Only thing I need to do is take out about 6 pounds that I'll be using on the trail, as well as adding probably 6-7 pounds of water. Okay, that's it. Let us know if you have any questions.
Bye, Jordan.